In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text on your video just like Alex Hormozi, Grant Cardone, and other popular video content creators. And the best part is, I'm going to show you how to do it in under 3 minutes. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, my name is Mark Ninius and I help professionals simplify marketing so they can get more exposure online. Now, start the timer. I already put the beginning of this YouTube video into Premiere Pro. The first step is going to be creating captions. So I'm going to select the file, go up to sequence, and go down to auto transcribe sequence. Once I am there, all I'm going to do is click on transcribe, and it's going to give me an option to create some captions. Click on the create captions button, and there you go. Now you have some captions at the bottom of your video right here. Now I know that at this point in the video, I need to have the words in this pop up. I'm going to select the type tool, and I'm going to type in this. All I'm using for this text is Montserrat Bold with a white fill and stroke at around 14. I just want to center this text and maybe move it down just a little bit right here. And because we have guidelines because of our captions, I know exactly where to use the razor tool, and that is going to be right here. Now what I want to do is duplicate this text by holding down the option key, clicking on it, and moving it over to the right. This basically just duplicated exactly what I had going on over here. But now, because I have the guide, I know that in this part of the video, I need to have the word video and comma pop up. And I'm gonna repeat this process until I finished up the entire video. Once you go through the entire video, you can now get rid of the captions at the bottom of your screen. Now, one thing that Alex Hormozi and Grant Cardone do quite often is have some yellow text or some green text. In order to do this, all you have to do is go to the text that you want to change, go down to the fill, and select the color that you want. So if I want the word video to really pop out, I can use a yellow or a green. One thing Grant Cardone and Alex Hormozi do occasionally is have animation on their text. Now we can do the exact same thing by going over to our effects panel, typing in transform, and dragging that onto our text. We want to change the shutter angle to 360. And now we want to select the point in the video where we want the text to stop its animation. I want the endpoint to be right here, so I'm going to create a keyframe on the position and scale. Now let's backtrack and go to the beginning of where we want the animation to start and the positioning of it. I want the positioning to be at the bottom right here. And now that we have that set, let's play the clip. And now we have that portion animated. Let's watch that a couple of times to make sure it looks good.
Alex Hormozi, Alex Hormozi, Alex Hormozi.
I'm pretty happy with that, and now let's play the entire clip.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text on your video just like Alex Hormozi.
And that's how it's done. If this video helped you out, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.